Ngiyabela South Africa yonke. Ngabhalela kwi-program Ithuleleni ngiyocela usizo ngokugula kwami. Ngibhalela usisi wami ngifunela usizo. Kodwa ekutheni abantu bagcine ukugula kwami sebekubeka kabi. Bethi ngokuthola umuntu wangaphandle ngalala nomuntu wangaphandle. Angilalanga nomuntu wangaphandle. Lokho ngicela nikuzwe kahle. Angilalanga ngithathanga nje umuntu wangaphandle angazi futhi ngathandana nomuntu wangaphandle. Ngiyacela umuntu ovele naleyo nto ngicela ayiyeke nokuhambe nidumisa amanga ngegama lami. Ngicela niliyeke and kubuhlungu njengoba abanye bengithuka angazi ukuthi ngenzeni njengoba seningithuka ningibiza ngawo wonke amagama and ngibuhlungu emoyeni. Ngiyacela kakhulu ukuthi ngicela owenze leyo nto leyo kuhlanzeke igama lami.
Molweni namkelekile nonke kwezitshisa Bay Entertainment. So yi-update ke lena kaSinekhoza utrende kakhulu throughout this week ke guys. Wahamba ke waya nakwi-podcast kaThuleleni TV apho achaze khona intoba watshintsha ade uba ngathi ungumntu omdala kanje sekwenzeke ntoni. Now prior to that guys, it was Thuleleni TV who posted ku TikTok wakhe and isihloko okanye the caption that he was giving us was that usisi walala nowangaphandle then ke wase eshintsha ebangathi umagogo. So uThuleleni TV who gave a lot of people that impression that umntu owalala naye is not South African, ngowaphi, ngowase Nigeria, ngowase Zimbabwe, ngowase Congo, etc etc. It's not like into abantu baye bayikhaphi bayikha emoyeni. It was something eyayibhalwe nguThuleleni TV ku TikTok account yakhe. Unfortunately ke guys, usine as echaza uyatsho intoba akayithandi into yokutrenda as umntu olala nama-Nigerians. Uri utata lo wayilele naye ngowalapha very much South African. Sonke istory ke niyasazi guys. I don't think it's necessary for me to go through that. But ke uye walifumana ke uncedo as nani nimbona uthandeka. The actress has come forward to assist. Uphethe ke amayeza, uphethe ukutya, uphethe imali and even went as far as ke emthandazela ke usisi. Now even with the fact that there are some people that are assisting on social media, kukhona ke abakhalayo bathi ukutya is for what, we can see that our sister Usine is needing medical assistance, attention, udinga imali, funeke ethathiwe ehanjisiwe wasiwa emazweni if needs be. But leke ngokuyoba abantu sebenzisa ukutya it's not going to help. But uye wachaza umama intoba akekho umntu osebenzayo guys. If you all watch uThuleleni TV, you will know that akekho umntu osebenzayo. So ukutya is very important so that bezokwazi ukuba nento yokutya guys. So anyways, nazo indaba ze horror, your thoughts must engage and sonbona shortly.